Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. And just last night I did this video, and before I closed down the file, I was kind of playing with it. And if you'll follow along with me for just a second, I'm going to show you a completely different look. Smart Fill tool, fill that in. I am going to now take away our graphic, and if you didn't see that from the part one or whatever it is, now I'm going to take this and left click and right click. Now this needs to be 90-degree turn to get it to there. So if we control D and make a duplicate, and what if we just, I didn't get the center. Say instead of doing 90 degrees, let's do 30 degrees. So now I've got basically three objects. I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in the three objects. I'm going to go and select it all. I'm going to right click, no outline. I'm going to try to grab the center one, grab the interactive fill tool and just swipe through it. And I'm going to put blue on both ends, but white in the middle, and see what I'm going to get. And then I'm going to bring this in and give it a little bit more white. Now you could play around with this a lot, and you could do each color differently, but I'm going to, I like showing off the attribute eyedropper. So we're going to take a sample of that attribute and put it in that one, and then go ahead and put it in that one. You get a total different look to what I did last night. Control G, Control D to duplicate it. Move, I think I jiggled it just a hair. No, maybe not. Move the center rotation to there. Rotate it 90 degrees now. See, I did not make a duplicate. So whenever I do that, I go Control D and I go back to 0 and then Control D, Control D. That's a total different look than I came up with last night. If you watched it, both of them are pretty cool. I'm not saying anybody's ever going to draw this, but every time you watch a video, hopefully of mine, you learn a little bit, attribute eyedropper tool or dividing. I mean, this looks like a polished screw going down a hole vortex. And there's a lot you could do with it. Totally different than last night. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.